No more waiting for ice trays. The EUHOMY 26 pounds Countertop Ice Maker churns out bullet ice in minutes with up to 26 pounds a day. Compact, stylish, and super easy. Perfect for parties, home bars, and everyday chilling. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the EUHOMY 26 pounds Countertop Ice Maker. Ice basket, handle. Ice scoop and user manual. Product overview. Ice shovel. Ice full sensor. Ice basket. Top cover with transparent window. Air outlet. Water drain plug. Maximum water level indicator. Handle. Display panel. Selected ice size display. Power indicator. Ice full indicator. Water shortage indicator. On and off button. Select button. How to use. Keep at least 6 inches of space around the machine and operate it between 59 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the reservoir with filtered, purified, or bottled water. Replace the ice bin and plug in the machine. Press the ice or clean button to start. The white light shows it's making ice and the bin will fill. An indicator will alert you when the ice is cold. You can open the lid and remove some ice while the machine continues making more. Note that, since the machine lacks insulation, the ice will melt slowly if left inside for too long, so transfer it to the fridge for longer storage. Maintenance. First, unplug the ice maker from the power supply. Next, remove any remaining water by bringing the machine close to a sink, locating the water drain, and releasing all water inside. Be careful. When opening the drain, the ice maker may tilt, but you must return it to a horizontal position to ensure complete drainage. Open the cover, remove the ice container, and prepare to clean. Mix a solution of vinegar and water, 1:10 ratio, or a citron solution, and soak a cleaning cloth in it. Use the cloth to clean the interior, and for very dirty areas, apply vinegar directly. For parts that are hard to reach, use a pump or a soft brush to clean thoroughly. After cleaning, fill the machine with water, close the cover, plug it in, and make ice twice to rinse out any remaining cleaning solution. Finally, repeat once more with fresh water to ensure the ice maker is fully clean and ready for safe ice production. Smart features? Produces bullet-shaped ice cubes quickly and can make up to about 26 pounds of ice per day, giving you a steady supply for drinks, parties, and daily use. Lightweight with a built-in handle, this ice maker is easy to move and fits on countertops, RVs, or outdoor setups while running quietly under approximately 45 decibels, so it won't disturb you. Infrared sensors alert you when the ice basket is full or water is low, and a one-touch self-cleaning function makes maintenance simple and hygienic. Some models offer the ability to choose between 2 ice cube sizes, small or large, so you can tailor the ice to your drink type, from cocktails and iced coffee to slow-melting cubes for whiskey. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the EUHOMY 26 pounds countertop ice maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your EUHOMY 26 pounds countertop ice maker. See you in the next one.